gonna rain, or maybe not. It's gonna rain, and then hail, and then dry out, and be 96 degrees by noon.
It's sunny right now.
Give it 5 minutes. Mother Nature's moody this time of year.
What the?
Welcome to summer in Northern Virginia, where your lawn gets weather whiplash. One day it's raining buckets. The next day you're frying eggs on a sidewalk.
Ow! Fried egg. And I'm bacon.
Your lawn is confused, it's stressed, and it's probably screaming for help.
Heavy rain saturates the soil, heat dries it out fast. That back and forth can cause soil compaction, shallow root growth, fungus and mildew, weed flare-ups, brown patches.
And it's causing a lot of problems.
You might see your lawn in just a few days go from healthy green to, is that straw?
Only straw.
A lawn can handle these extremes, but only if it has strong roots, healthy soil, and plenty of water.
Water! I need water!
Here's how your lawn can weather the storm.
Don't mow when it's soaking wet. That damages the grass and compacts the soil.
Look out for compacted spots. You might need to break them up to give the roots room to breathe.
Sharpen your mower blades. A clean cut means a greener, more disease-resistant lawn.
Watch out for fungus, especially in sunny or overwatered areas.
Get a soil test, because what's happening underground is more important than what's happening on top. Or you can call MowCow. Our organic-based lawn program is built to help your lawn roll with the punches, from thunderstorms to heat waves.
We defy you, Mother Nature! Whatever you have, we're ready for it! We've been helping homeowners in Northern Virginia weather the wildest weather since 1986.
Give us a call or visit MowCow.com to see how we can help your lawn thrive, rain or shine.
And thanks for being part of the herd.